Hi, today I'm gonna be making tomato basil bisque with Italian meatballs. It's a very quick and easy dinner recipe and it's also super healthy, so I hope you enjoy this. Leeks are root vegetables that are quite similar to onion. They have mild, sweet, onion-like flavor. They are an excellent source of vitamin K as well as other minerals and vitamins. Leek is also a national symbol of Wales. And that's it for today's video. If you are wondering what the biscuit is made of that was pictured with the bisque, you have to wait until next Thursday for the next video. Make sure you watch that one because this is probably one of the best biscuits that I've ever made. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And also, you can find me on Instagram in this link. And we'll see you next time.